These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi there, my name is Temie. Welcome to today's video. So today's video, as you guys already can see in the description box, is a quick no makeup look. I'm actually heading out to a work meeting and I usually try to look a little bit put together. So I'm just at the point of putting my makeup on. I haven't put out any products, but I have the products that I usually use every day for a no makeup look. So like a quick, easy, beginner friendly no makeup look. So that's what this video is all about, and let's go. Starting with this, I'm gonna just say that I've already prepped my skin to the point of using my primer. I've actually used a Dermalogica SPF already, so I'm just gonna use this Ilia. This is like a sample from Ilia, and I think I got it from Sephora. So I'm just gonna use this as my primer. That way we at least have some type of barrier. This is the Ilia True Radiant Screen Serum with aloe in it. You guys, I got these hair clips. It's actually about 30 pieces of them. I was at Walmart and I was just kind of picking up, the essential grocery stuff that I usually get. I was gonna go to Target, but I just said let me go to Walmart because there's a particular product that I wanted to get. Oh, ignore my nails. I will get them done whenever. But I was walking around by the clothing section, I believe, and so I was looking for silk scrunchies for my daughter because it would be more beneficial for her hair because she tends to cry when I use the regular, scrunchies that hurt. So I was just walking around Walmart and I saw a bunch of clips, hair clips like this. It's like a set of 30 pieces, and I was like, oh no, this is really good deal. But they were actually on clearance. That's what I'm trying to say. They were on clearance for $3. A 30-piece hair scrunchies, clips, and all that stuff, and these was part of it. And the scrunchies were silk, and they were the bigger kind, so it's not too thick and not too thin, and also not too small for my daughter's hair. And I was super excited to see it. I actually saw 2 packs of another pack that was just scrunchies alone, and those were $3 as well. But they were like, they had those yellow stickers on them. So I just got them, and I was just super happy that I've been wanting to get something like that, but I don't know, I never come across what the right scrunchie, and I would go to different stores. But then today it was just I was just lucky and I got them. I was like, yes, of course, this is definitely what I'm looking for as far as a scrunchie goes. So I'm just gonna use this. What is this? So I picked this up. This is the Milani Precision Bro, and I believe I got this in the shade, this is an ebony. This is really what I do when I'm doing like a no makeup look. Simply just make sure my brows is on point. Okay, so after I sort of use the pencil, then I go in with my Merit Beauty Brow Pomade in black brown on my brows again before I clean it up. It's sort of like a gel to set the hair on my brows. Okay, so now this has been my go-to concealer. It's the Item Beauty Air Hug Concealer and Corrector. It's the shade 510. Hope you guys can see that. That's in the shade 510. This, oh my god, I have other concealers, but this has been the most, my most used. I have it out all the time and I use it almost every day, actually, even when I'm not going anywhere, because I really like it. So I'm gonna definitely stock up on it because it has been my favorite so far. Anyway, so what I do is I get my little angled brush. I simply open it a little bit and just get a little bit of product on the brush here and clean up my eyebrows. This is like very close to my skin tone. This is why I like using it a lot. It's the best shade so far that I have come across. I do like the e.l.f. one too, but this is so lightweight and also has really good coverage. So I like it. And I don't have to use a lot. A little bit really does go a long way. So look at that. Look at how it just simply blends into my skin. I have no makeup on, but then once I kind of use this, it just sort of evens everything out for me, like any kind of blemish that I may have. I spend a little bit more time on my brows, honestly, than anything else. Okay, so now that I'm done with my brows, I'm gonna just now do my, like, the little concealing and correcting that I'm gonna do. And I usually still go with the concealer again and just put a little bit of product under my eye here and a little bit under my eye here. I actually don't use a lot. I try not to use a lot. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my jaw area because I have a heavy, discoloration there. I just put just a little bit because this is literally almost like my skin shade. And then I put a little bit on my forehead, just all over, just a little bit, just like that. And that's pretty much it. Now I start with this part first and then I blend it in. I actually just use this is my NYX makeup foundation brush and I just blend it in just in that spot. I don't put it anywhere else, but just in the spot where I have the concealer and just sort of blend it in on my forehead as well. This is like a really light makeup. I would actually record another video on another product that I do when I have time, I guess, but I'm so used to doing this, it doesn't take me too long at all. And I've only been recording for the past, 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this brush that I received from probably a subscription box, and I think it's the Crown Beauty. I wanna say it's a concealer brush, but I really like the size of it under my eye and around. So I just blend this concealer right under my eye and bring it around just to kind of cover those slight discoloration or dark circles that we all tend to have. I bring it a little bit to the corner of my eye here, and so look at the difference. Right here, I don't have any foundation or anything, but it sort of gives that like eyeshadow, like dark shadow, whatever. I don't want it around my eye. I just leave it right underneath my eye here. And then I just go into the other eye and do the same. If I need to add more, I would, but this is usually about the same amount that I use every day. I bring it down a little bit and bring it around just a little bit right here and let it blend into my skin. So, you guys see? Kind of woke me up a bit. Now I'm just gonna do my eyeliner first before mascara, and I'm using this Cella Duo liquid eyeliner. One side is black, the other side is blue, but I always use the black side. I really like this liner. It's very thin, and I only line like from the middle to the end of my eye. I don't line the full eyes, mainly because I have small eyes. So I just simply start from there. Small strokes. If I make a mistake, it's okay because I can use my concealer to go and conceal the mistake. And I just keep drawing small short lines until I get the desired line that I want. So I kind of have a mishap there, and what I do is I'll just take my angled brush that I already have a little bit of product on and just sort of wipe. There we go. Same thing. Little strokes. But I'm gonna be going with my Laura Mercier. This I received from Skeepers, and this is the Laura Mercier Translucent Blur Setting Powder in Ultra Blur in the shade Medium Deep. This has become my favorite. I also have I don't know the name of this thing again. Is it SO by Patrick Starr? Something, I don't know what it's called, the acronym of this SO. I think it would be written in the back here. Let's see, is it SO? What does that stand for? I'm having a really bad one size. It's not SO, it's OS. Yeah, I'm in a rush. So it's one size. I have it in the translucent as well as in dark deep, but this has been my go-to. So what I'm gonna do is take my blurring powder, take a small fluffy brush that I love to use under my eye. Okay, so I just take a little bit and then I just get a little bit of product on and then tap it off and then just go under my eye. And I just roll it on, technically, just kind of roll it on like so. And the reason why I'm applying this first is before I use my mascara is because I tend to touch the bottom hair that I have under my eyes, and I don't want that happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and I got some powder in my in my eye. I could feel it. Anyway, do the other eye. Roll it on and roll it back. And just then tap, 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 tap. We have a nice blurred under eye. I would use my puff too, but I just find that this does a sort of a better job in my opinion, because the puff adds, it's like I can control the amount of powder as well when I use a brush as opposed to the puff. The puff tends to pick up too much powder. And I already have dry skin, so I don't want to further add more dryness under my eye, you get? Now what I will do is I'll take a nice fluffy brush like this and go back in the Laura Mercier powder as well, like so. Back and forth. This is from Ohima Bonsu's line, this brush. It's a Bonsu Beauty brush, and I think this is like a setting powder brush. It says Bonsu Beauty right there. And I just put it all over, and also to set the concealer that I had earlier. When I'm feeling a little bit, want something, I do use my blush. And my favorite blush right now is the Bella brush by Juvia's Place. And I will be using that today as well, because I'm filming, and I want to show you guys everything I do use when I do my makeup, like on a quickness. Easy peasy. Okay, now I'm gonna do my mascara, and I'm just gonna use this Merit Beauty. I like this Merit Beauty because it's not too thick. I don't know what it is about this brush, but I like it. You guys, look at the difference when I have mascara on and no mascara on yet, but just a liner. Look at how it really does enhance your look. I really like that. So sometimes a subtle, sexy look is good too. So yeah, I mean, look at that. I like them. I like them a lot. Put my blush on using the Bella blush, and just a little bit, not too much. Tap, tap, tap. Just a little bit on my cheeks. Oh yeah, you can see that. I usually don't use this, but I should do it because it does help. And that is my setting spray. Not too much, just enough. And I'm gonna just go in with my lip liner, and that is, so this is my NYX Professional Makeup. It's actually an eye pencil, but we're gonna use it for a lip pencil. And this is in, what shade is this? Black brown. When I find a good lip pencil, like a shade, this is the perfect shade. I have the MAC Chestnut, but it's not dark enough. I don't like it. I like to see my lip liner. For my lips, I always wear my NYX, either praline or a bit of honey in the middle, and then I will also use, the shade Ginger Snap around all over my lip liner. Or now my favorite is the Merit Lip Oil, which is in the shade Falcon. But first, let's go in with over my liner. I like this shade a lot. So now I'm gonna do Praline Butter Gloss. Alright, so this is pretty much the look. You guys get into it. My hair is pretty much done already because I just love the easiness of this crochet, man. Love it. And my hair underneath is thriving. Literally, I can easily oil my scalp and just go. So this is pretty much my final look. I love it. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys really learn a thing or two and like this video as well. Hit that thumbs up button and let me know if you like videos like this. I'm gonna try to do more quick makeup looks for you all. Get into this look, y'all. I really like it. It's pretty, and this is legit my everyday look when I go to a meeting, or if I just want to feel pretty or whatnot. This is what I do. All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna go throw my suit, my jacket on and go to this meeting. I'm off to my meeting. I love the look. I think I look really well put together. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.